Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset your online banking password on Citibank. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Citibank. Click on this first website over here. Now, enter your user ID. Now, here we need to enter our internet password, and if you have forgotten it, simply click on Forgot IP. Now, we need to remember our account information. So, select your account type and enter your 16-digit ATM debit card number, and we need to enter our CVV number as well. Now, enter your date of birth. Now, agree to the terms and conditions. Once you are done, simply click on Proceed. Afterward, we need to confirm our account information. After that, we need to select our new PIN over here, and after that, simply click on Log into Citibank Online, where we'll add our username and newly created password or IP to log into Citibank. So, this is all we need to do to reset the password on Citibank Online Banking. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.